a car company that loves to care and proves it. Hi, I'm Laura Kirtley, and this is Behind the Wheel, sponsored by Tom Wood Subaru. Peyton and Hunter are back with some exciting news.
Thanks, Laura. Tom Wood Subaru, in its continued commitment to make a positive impact in our community, recently donated blankets and craft kits to Peyton Manning Children's Hospital. We hope they provide comfort, warmth, and fun to young patients during their hospital stays, and maybe bring a touch of cheer to their healing journey.
Well, hospitals are known for having chilly rooms, even during hot summer months. So I'm sure they appreciated those blankets and the craft kits.
Yeah, they were thrilled to receive the special blankets. Known for their cozy and high-quality material, Tom Wood Subaru considers it a symbol of care and support for the brave children undergoing treatment.
Seems like a perfect fit for Subaru's mission.
That's right. Tom Wood Subaru's commitment to giving back to the community aligns perfectly with the hospital's mission of providing exceptional healthcare services to children in need. By creating a comfortable environment, the blankets not only offer physical warmth, but contribute to the emotional well-being of the kids and their families.
Well, yeah, so loving to care is part of the Subaru Love Promise.
Yes, we're committed to making a positive impact in areas such as healthcare, education, animal welfare, and the environment. In this case, we focused on children who face life-threatening blood cancers. We teamed up with Annabeth Stem from the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society to contribute to the well-being of the children in their care.
Tom Wood Subaru does set a great example for the community. How can viewers help?
If you'd like to donate craft supplies or money, please contact Laura Keefe at 317-338-8835.
And I know you love to sell Subarus as well.
That's right. Everyone should come check out our in-stock models ready for you today.
Come see Hunter, Peyton, and the whole Tom Wood Subaru team at 96 and Keystone. Then you too can feel the love. I'm Laura Kirtley. Thanks for watching Behind the Wheel, sponsored by Tom Wood Subaru.